Howdy everyone, welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky. Have you ever been in a car accident and thought, wait, I might be partially to blame? Today, we're going to talk about that. It's called comparative fault in Texas and how it can affect your injury claim and your liability if the wreck was not 100% the other driver's fault. So Texas uses what we call a modified comparative fault rule. And that means each party's share of the blame is considered. So if you're found to be 51% or more responsible, you cannot recover any damages, so 51% or more. But if you're 50% or less at fault, you can still recover. Your compensation just gets reduced by your percentage of fault. So let's say you're rear-ended, right? But your brake light wasn't working. A judge might find you 20% at fault in this case, and the other driver 80%. So if your damages were $10,000, you'd only receive $8,000 because you're 20% at fault. So knowing this rule is going to be important whether you're filing a claim or defending yourself. Insurance companies love to use comparative fault to their advantage, and they're going to. They're going to argue that you were partially to blame, and they're going to want to reduce that payout to you. That's why it's important to gather strong evidence, right? So after an accident, start taking photos, witness statements, dash cam footage, everything counts. Work with an attorney, most importantly, to ensure that your side of the story is clearly presented. We're going to push back against unfair blame and fight to preserve your rights to compensation. Even if you were partially at fault, you still deserve a fair outcome and your payout. If you've been injured in a car accident, let's talk. So call law office of Bryan Fagan. We offer free consultations to help you understand your rights and whether comparative fault affects your case. So don't let the insurance companies take advantage of you. Get the facts today and give us a call. See you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.